Hey guys, tornadoes coming at, we're at Lakeport, coming in from the southeast here. Just talked to the sheriff. I got the sheriff here at Lakeport. It's a tornado on the ground south of Moorhaven. It's south of me right now, about 7 miles. It's going to be here in about 5 minutes. Large, damaging, destructive tornado. Craig, another chaser south of me. Craig's on it. Craig Trevor's just east of Moorhaven, reports large violent tornado. That is right, going to be just south of me here, about 8 miles south of me now, large violent tornado. The current track right now is tracking toward us. Let me show you this. Just stay with me, guys. I'm in the core right now. Here's where I'm at Lakeport right here. I've got 4 sheriffs here now, but they're going through town. Told them to go through town and blow the sirens, get people in the shelter. Just up to the gas station here. Tornado's been on the ground doing major damage all the way up. I understand it hit a Walmart. It's done damage in Clewiston. This area, large violent tornado continues on the ground, and it's heavily rain wrapped on the north side. I can't see it yet. I'm going in heavy rain. As you can see, I've got heavy rain here on the north side. There's a little lake jogs out here, right here at Lakeport, right here. And so anyway, tornado's on the way. Damaging tornado continues. Violent tornado continues as 2 minutes ago. And it's going to come over the lake. It's going to go from a tornado back to possibly a large water spout as it comes up here over me in about 5 minutes. Should have a large tornado come into water spout. And there's a tower here. She told me to go climb it. and I can see over the entire lake. So I'm going to do that possibly here in a minute. Sorry about that. So here's Lakeport to give you a big broad review. Multiple tornado warnings. And let's go back down here to the other radars. Yep, best one's going to be AMX, and it's getting farther away from them. Might switch over to Tampa. There's the tornado, and it's still in progress. There's Mayhaven. Tornado is now about 7 miles southeast of me, moving northwest. It'll be about 40 miles an hour, roughly. You see how fast she's moving? Northwest, 33 knots, about 40. It's going to be here at 11:31. That's in 5 to 8 minutes. I'm going to have the tornado coming very close to Lakeport. We're at Lakeport. Right here where the water jugs out. The water outline of the lake here goes like this. And the tornado's going to move over, possibly from land back to water, may have a large water spout, back over to Lakeport. Tornado is continuing, track northwest here. Minute update from Jeff Gammons is coming in from the east. He's almost to me now. Jeff Gammons is right here. I got Travers talking to Travers in Lakeport down here east of Moorhaven. Mile-wide tornado, large destructive tornado. It's still in progress as of 1 minute ago. Continues to track northwest at 40 miles an hour. Tornado warning continues. Let me just go to the tornado warning here, and let's find out that considerable. Observe, expires in 2 minutes. They'll reissue the tornado warning any minute now at National Weather Service, 11:10 Eastern Time, in effect until 11:30, which expires in 3 minutes. Confirmed large, dangerous, destructive tornado near Clewiston, moving north at 30. That's confirmed. Confirmed tornadoes, large debris ball, large tornado. They're going to issue a new tornado warning. My alert tone will go off any minute now with a new tornado warning coming out. It's produced a number of tornadoes here with damage. It's had damage for now about an hour now. I'm getting heavy rain. Give me just a second, guys. I got to mount you here, and I've got to get all my cameras rolling. I've got to get about 7 cameras going here. Here we go. We'll start the camera. That's going. Where's my 360? I'm going to get my 360 going. As the tornado passes, up on the roof. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be safe. Get the wide overs going. We're in the heavy rain. Tornado's now 4 miles south of me, coming up. The track, the center line track is right exactly at this location, right here at this area. I'm at the top. Yep. Tornado, if you can hear me, lost picture. Shit, there you go. Picture's back. Tornado warning just went out for me. Let's see what it says. Radar indicated. Flying debris, tornado, yep. It's approaching. I'll leave the windshield wipers on, guys. I'm trying to turn you up. If it goes off, there's nothing I can do. Tornado warning just came out. Tornado's 4 miles south of me. Don't see it. I'm in heavy rain. It'll go from heavy rain to tornado in just a few minutes here. Starting to lighten up on the, don't see the tornado yet, but it will be momentarily. Tornado's 4 miles southwest of my location. I'm gonna do something here. See this right here? I'm gonna go back to this. There's a hill. There's a hill in this water reservoir here. There's like a kind of a hill, it's kind of the where the embankment goes up around the lake here. I'm in a little bit of a lower area. I'm gonna go back up here on the hill where I can get a shot of it and escape eastbound or westbound, depending on where the tornado tracks here at Lakeport. Tornado's in progress south of the lake. Now it's getting ready to cross the lake. I'm at Lakeport near Moorhaven, Florida. Use Miami radar and look to the northwest of Lake Okeechobee. I'm in Moorhaven. I'm northeast of Moorhaven, about 8 miles northeast of Moorhaven. Lakeport. Tornado track is now going to go over me or immediately west of me here, like 1 mile, half a mile. It's going to be within a mile or two, a half mile of this town. I'm going this ridge line. Here's this ridge line. I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to whip back around and point back south. Heavy core is over me. I'm going to see the tornado, though, as it comes around. It whips around. Here we go. So I'm going to pull in right here. The sheriff, I told him they're blowing their sirens in town. In the cars. They're going to the stores, telling everybody to take cover. Okay, I'm getting a little bit partly cloudy. Not quite yet. Just a minute, I'm going to turn you around. Yep. Don't see the tornado yet. The clouds are starting to lighten up back to my southwest. You see the left side? I've got clearing now on the left side of the screen. You don't see the wedge tornado, but I've got clearing now coming up. We may break out the tornado. You see the clearing on the left-hand side of the screen? The tornado's gonna be immediately to the right of that. I'm in heavy rain, and the clearing's coming up from the south. We're gonna have a tornado, large tornado in a minute. I've got to get my 360 camera going, guys. I got to do multiple things here. I got to step out of the cart. Oh boy. There's that. Clearing's coming up. Tornado's 3 miles south of me. Tornado's immediately southwest of me, 3.5 miles, coming northwest, about to have the view of the tornado. I can slow him down. There's the clearing line coming in. We're about to see the tornado. It's coming up quickly to my south. Tornado's now immediately south of me. 3.5 miles southwest of me. Due south. We may have it. Just about to see it. Big wall cloud, big rotating cloud, big bowl. Tornado's coming in view now. Tornado's immediately south of me coming in view now. There's the tornado. I can see the tornado now. Big wedge tornado now. Big wedge tornado. There it is. Big wedge tornado now in progress. There it is. I'm going to zoom in on it for you. Try to. There's the wedge tornado. It's over the lake. Large wedge tornado on the lake now. Large wedge tornado. Violent tornado coming over the lake. Look at the tornado. Wow. There it is. There it is. Large tornado. Stand by. I'm getting ready. I got to do a tweet real quick. There it is. Let me kill the wipers. There's the wedge tornado. There it is, guys. You can see the wedge tornado now. There's the large wedge tornado. Now, guys, there's the wedge tornado coming in view. Large violent tornado in progress. There it comes. It's coming over the lake. Large wedge tornado. Guys, I got large water spout, large wedge tornado now coming to south of Lakeport. I'm streaming live both on YouTube and Twitter. YouTube and Twitter, large damaging tornado now, south of Lakeport coming in. Large water spout, large wedge water spout now coming over just south of Lakeport. Large violent tornado now in progress, south of Lakeport coming over the lake. Large wedge tornado now.